Welcome to Hannah's English Conversations. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and like this episode so you never miss our English lessons. Today, we're learning how to talk about shopping in English. Real phrases, real conversations, real situations you can use in any store or mall.
Yes, and today's lesson is super helpful because almost everyone shops. Clothes, shoes, groceries, gifts. So learning shopping English makes real life much easier.
All right, let's begin. Imagine we are walking together inside a big shopping mall. Bright lights, people talking, music playing, stores everywhere. And we want to practice English while shopping.
That's right. So let's start like this. Hey, Jenny, do you want to look around first or go to a specific store?
I think I want to look at some clothes. I need a new jacket. What about you?
I'm looking for new shoes. My old ones are finished, completely gone. For learners, finished can mean worn out, old, broken.
Perfect explanation. Okay, now imagine we walk into a clothing store. What do we say first? We can say, "Excuse me, do you have this in my size?" Or, "Hi, I'm looking for a jacket. Can you help me?"
Yes, and here's a useful pattern. I'm looking for. This phrase works for everything. I'm looking for a jacket. I'm looking for a birthday gift. I'm looking for black shoes.
So simple and very useful. Now let's continue the story. We walk to the jacket section. I see one I like, so I say, "This looks nice. I like the color. What do you think?"
And I can answer, "Oh, this color suits you. It looks good, but maybe try one size bigger."
Learners, try one size bigger, smaller is something native speakers say all the time.
Exactly. And when you want to try something, you say, "Can I try this on?" Or, "Where's the fitting room?"
Right. So in our story, I take the jacket and try it on. "Oh, this fits really well. I think I like it."
And I say, "If you like it, you should check the price. Maybe it's on sale."
Ah, yes, sale, another important word. Sometimes you'll see signs like sale, 20% off, buy one, get one free, clearance.
And you can ask the staff, "Is this on sale?" Or, "Do you have any discounts today?"
Okay, let's keep the story going. I check the price. Not too expensive. I think I'll buy it.
Great. And now it's my turn. We walk to the shoe store. I say, "Hi, do you have these shoes in size 42? For learners, always say the item and the size.
And the shop assistant might say, "Let me check." Or, "Yes, we have it." Or, "We're out of stock."
Yes, out of stock means the item is not available. But in our story, let's make it easy. The assistant says, "Yes, we have your size. Would you like to try them on?"
Then I say, "Yes, please. Thank you."
I try the shoes. Oh, these feel really comfortable. I like them. Comfortable means good feeling, easy to wear, soft on the feet.
And I say, "You should walk around a little. Check if they really fit."
I walk. I test them. Yep, these are perfect. I think I'll buy them.
Nice. Now both of us have something to buy. Now let's teach the most important shopping phrases at the checkout counter.
When you reach the counter, the cashier may ask, "Did you find everything? Would you like a bag? Cash or a card?"
And you can answer, "Yes, thank you. Yes, I'd like a bag. Card, please."
Also helpful, "Do you accept returns? Can I exchange this if it doesn't fit?"
Great. Now let's add a real life situation. Sometimes you want to compare two items. You can say, "What's the difference between these two?" Or, "Which one is better?" Or, "Is this one more durable?"
Durable means strong, long-lasting.
Perfect. Now let's expand the story a little more. We walk to the food court. We chat while carrying our shopping bags.
Shopping always makes me hungry. Do you want to get something to eat?
Yes, maybe something light. I spent too much time trying jackets.
And I tried too many shoes. My legs are tired.
Learners, this part is important. Shopping conversations are not only about buying. They include small talk, feelings, opinions, simple questions, just like in real life.
Exactly. And if you ever shop in an English-speaking country, these everyday phrases will help you sound confident and natural.
All right, let's review the most important patterns.
I'm looking for.
Do you have this in my size?
Can I try this on?
Where is the fitting room?
Is this on sale?
Do you have any discounts today?
Cash or card?
Can I return this?
Which one is better?
And real-life natural reactions.
This looks nice.
It suits you.
It's too big or too small.
It's perfect.
It feels comfortable.
All right, let's continue our shopping journey. We just bought a jacket and a pair of shoes, but the mall is big, and we still have many places to explore. Ready for more English practice?
Always ready. And this time let's visit different types of shops. Clothing stores are just one part of shopping. People also go to bookstores, electronic stores, supermarkets, cosmetic stores, and more. Each place uses different English phrases.
Exactly. So let's imagine we walk into a bookstore now. It's quiet, calm, and there are books everywhere. I look around and say, wow, I love this place. I want to find a good book, something easy to read.
And I can answer, you can ask the staff for recommendations. Try saying, excuse me, can you recommend a book for beginners?
Great phrase. Learners, recommend means suggest something good for you. So I walk to the counter and say, hi, I'm learning English. Can you recommend a simple book?
See, this is real-life English. You don't need perfect grammar, just confidence.
Yes, the staff might reply, this book is easy to read. It has short chapters and simple vocabulary. Or, this one is very popular with English learners.
And if you want something cheaper, you can ask, do you have anything on sale? Or do you have used books?
Nice. After checking a few books, let's move on. Now we enter an electronics store.
Electronic stores can feel confusing because people don't know the right words. But the good news is you actually only need a few simple phrases.
Yes, for example, I'm looking for headphones. I need something good but not too expensive. Or, what's the best option in this price range?
The staff may reply, this one has better sound quality. Or, this model lasts longer. Or, this is the newest version.
Learners, remember this phrase. Can you explain the difference? It saves you every time.
Exactly. And if you want to test something, you can say, can I try this? Or can I see how this works?
All right, now imagine you find a pair of headphones you really like. You say, I'll take this one. This phrase means you want to buy it.
Perfect. Now let's add another real-life moment. Comparing prices. Sometimes we want to save money, and that's okay.
Yes, you can ask, is this the final price? Or do you match prices? And a very useful one, do you have student discounts?
So good. Discounts exist everywhere. Clothing, electronics, food, everything.
Okay, now let's imagine we walk into a cosmetic store. It smells amazing. Perfumes, lotions, candles. I want to buy a perfume, but don't know which one.
You can ask the staff, can I smell this? Or, do you have a tester for this perfume?
If you want something long-lasting, say, does this last all day? Or, is this good for sensitive skin?
Perfect. And the staff might say, this one is stronger, this one is lighter, or this is our best seller.
After choosing a perfume, you might ask, can you wrap this as a gift? Great for birthdays and holidays.
Absolutely. Learn this phrase too. Is there a return policy for this item?
Super common and realistic. Supermarkets are amazing for English practice. Simple questions, simple answers. Let's teach them.
Imagine we're walking together with a shopping cart. I say, do we need bread? Or should we buy some fruit?
And I answer, yes, let's get 2 apples and a loaf of bread. A loaf is 1 whole bread.
Here are useful supermarket phrases. Is this fresh? Do you have organic options? Is there a cheaper brand?
And if you can't find something, ask, excuse me, where can I find the milk? Or which aisle are the eggs in?
Learners, aisle means the hallway inside the store.
Let's continue the story. We look at snacks and I pick up a bag of chips. I like this brand. Should we buy it?
I say, maybe, but check the expiration date first.
Tipping moment. Expiry date means the last day the food is safe to eat.
Shopping is not always perfect. Sometimes there are problems. Let's practice real English for that.
Yes. Scenario, you bought something, but it doesn't fit. You go back to the store and say, "Hi, I'd like to return this," or "I need to exchange this for a different size."
The staff may ask, do you have the receipt? So keep your receipts.
Another useful phrase is, "This has a defect." Defect means something is wrong with the item.
And if you want a refund, say, "Can I get a refund?" A refund equals get your money back.
Good. Now, let's continue our story. We successfully return an item and walk out of the store feeling proud of our good English.
Yes, shopping becomes much easier when you know these phrases.
All right, that's the end of section B. You learned real phrases, real situations, real English you can use anywhere in the world.
If this helped you, please subscribe, like this episode, and share it with someone who's learning English. It helps our channel grow and reach more learners.
And comment below, what is the last thing you bought? Use one phrase from today's lesson.